In today's video, I'm going to share exactly how you can make over $100,000 in a single month with something which is actually pretty simple to get started with. Now, I know $100,000 in a month just seems absolutely ridiculous, and not many people, it sounds ridiculous to me, and I earn a pretty decent amount of money online. But in this video, I'll share with you, not only is this method achievable, I'll show you people who are actually earning this amount of money. I'll show you the timeline, like how long it took them to go from zero to over $100,000, and I'm also going to share with you some free resources. So look, if you're looking for a genuine way to make money online and from home, this is what we're going to cover in this video. So please watch the video till the end, and if you find this useful, please give the video a like or drop a comment down below. I'd really appreciate that. Well, let's jump into today's video and I'll walk you through this method, and I'll share with you, statistics, people doing this, and how you can get started with this method today. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So what I'm going to be sharing with you today, you can actually get this up and running for free, and I'll share with you some resources and how you can get all of this up and running. But let's just first of all jump into this, and what is this method to make money online? So believe it or not, it's actually blogging. And you see this website here, this website here, this website here, all of these websites here, they're all earning over $100,000 every month from blogging. And it seems absolutely ridiculous, doesn't it? So if we look at these websites, let's just go and have a look at this one here. So this one is called Dollar Sprout. This is currently run by two blokes. This is Ben and I can't remember the other guy's name. Ben and Jeff, sorry about that. Yeah, it's Ben and Jeff. So they've got two different websites. They've got this one here, this Breaking the 1%. Then they've also got this Dollar Sprout over here. Now this one here is predominantly about personal finance and, helping people with, as you can see up here, side hustles, jobs, investing, passive income, apps, free, etc, etc. And if you scroll down here, you can see some of the content that they're putting on here. Look, 20 things to sell when you need to make some quick cash. Pretty simple post. Come down here, look, latest side hustle articles, how to become a personal trainer, a product review, 5 ways, how to make money reading books, 6 steps, etc, etc. So this is basically a blog. This is one website. This one over here, this is a website called Making Sense of Sense. This is run by a lady called Michelle. This is her down here, and it's pretty similar. Look, how to save money, how to make money, and then we've got some information on here about blogs. And then we've got one that's not in the finance niche, which is this one over here, which is a blogging and lifestyle blog. And again, over $100,000 a month from these, these blog articles that they put up on here. It's just absolutely insane. So let me just share with you, so this website here, this Dollar Sprout, it's run by Jeff and Ben, I've remembered this time, and I want to share with you a timeline of how long it took them to go from zero to over $100,000 in a month. And you can see on here, look, this is their other website, Breaking the 1%, how we made $347,000 in 2 months. You can see in January they earned $180,000, and in February they earned $167,000. It's just it's incredible, isn't it? But I want to share with you something here. So look at this. At the time of writing this, Ben and I are on day 1,475 of blogging. So basically, they started on this journey in 2015, and we didn't even know at the time that blogging is basically what their business would evolve into. And I'll quickly show you this as well. Because also in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you a free resource so that you can basically skip a lot of the trial and error what many people go through when they first start out on the blogging journey. These guys did this. I'm sure Michelle will have done it on this blog as well, and lots of people do this. I did this myself. I got into blogging and I didn't focus on creating the correct content. I didn't structure my articles right, and lots more. So you can see over here, this was their numbers basically. So from February 2015 scroll down here to February 2016, they earned a grand total of 0. And then I'm sure by that point they were ready to give up, and I'm sure many people would be ready to give up after, spending a year and earning 0. But what we don't know is in that year how many blog articles that they put out. Did they, structure their blog articles correctly? Probably not. Was they doing search engine optimization? Probably not, we don't know. But then if we come down here from 2016 to 2017, look, it's ridiculous. It's gone from earning 0, and then they've had the first $1,000 month, 1,700, 900. But look, if we just scroll down the page here from 2017, you can see how quickly this starts to go up. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? First $10,000 in a month. Come further down the page here, then they've jumped up to $20,000 in a month, and then 30, 60, 91, 104,000, 180, 167. Now I know that this website here, this side hustle, this dollar sprout, this now earns over $200,000 a month. This article over here, this was only running up to 2019, and then they pretty much stopped sharing these. They do share them from memory. I think they share them on the email list. But it's just an insane way, isn't it, that you can make money. So if we go into one of their articles, let me just go ahead and show you this. So go into here, let's just look at this, how to make money reading books. Let's come in here, look. Basically, all that they've done is they've gone online, they've found different websites which will pay you to write books. Look, you can come down here, look. Website number 1, website number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and then they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 additional ways to make money with reading a book, basically. So you might be thinking, well, I don't know anything about, the finance niche or making money online and, other bits like that that's similar to this one over here. You don't have to. You can go into absolutely any niche when it comes to blogging. If you have a hobby or a particular interest that you like and you're involved in, you can create a blog around that, because believe it or not, there will be people out there who will read your content, and there's so many different ways that you can make money with a blog. And you might think, well, there's already people out there creating content. I mean, let's just take this here, get paid to read books. I have no doubt we'll have hundreds of articles online for this. So let's just go on here, paste this in. And here's the crazy thing, most of them will be very similar. So look at this one here, get paid to read, 17 legitimate sites that pay reviewers, get paid, look, 8 home jobs, 10 sites, 13 sites, 12 sites, etc, etc. So even if you didn't have a clue, different ways to make money online by reading books, what do? You just go online and you look at some of these, and you just look at the websites, and you create your own content from what you can find, what people have already done. It's pretty simple. I mean, you don't rip them off, but you create similar content. All of these here, it's all similar content because it's all around the same topic: how to get paid to read books. Really simple stuff. So if I scroll back up here to the top, so this website over here, where was it? Well, I've come off it. It was Dollar Sprout. So you saw here, it took them 4 years. Was it 4 years to break over 100,000? I think it was, wasn't it? Yeah, 104,000 in December 2018. So December 2018, and they started this in February 2015. So would you create content, now, and in 3 years' time potentially be earning over $100,000 a month? It's just ridiculous. But here's the thing where many people fail with blogging, it's this bit here. This. And the reason why many people fail with this here is, when you first start creating content with blogs, everyone gets excited, and I did exactly the same. I got excited, I thought I'm going to create my blog, I'm going to put up articles, etc, etc. And then nothing happens. And the reason being is, when you create content online, what happens is, obviously you want your content to rank over in Google. So sorry, let me just get rid of this. You want your content to rank in Google. So you need to understand and learn how to structure your articles. You need to use, things called like headings and formats and other bits. So if I just share with you an example for one of my articles, this is a recent one that I've done here. And I'll show you how I structure these articles here. So this article, in time, I'm hoping that this will start to rank for side hustle to make money from home or make money from home. And if I come down here, you can see I've got this highlighted here, how to make a side hustle. What is a good side hustle? And if I come further down here, we've got side hustle again here. Come down here, look, then we've got a heading here. We've got something known as a table of content. And basically, all of this has been done purely for the bots from Google and Bing and these other search engines, so that when they send out these bots and they crawl your blog article, they can know exactly, pretty much in a snapshot, what this article is all about. And I didn't know this in the beginning. If I did have known this, then I'd be earning more money than what I do now, and my blog would be getting a lot more traffic than what it does. But blogging's a learning curve. So this moves us on to the free resource. So let me just come over here and I'll share this resource with you. But you can see here, this website over here, this one, and this one as well. It really isn't hard to get into blogging. It isn't difficult. The part where people give up is genuinely understanding what you need to do and learning how to drive traffic. But you say, look, 80 best side jobs. Again, if I was to go on Google and type in 80 side jobs, there'll be lots of articles about this. And the same, look, money tips. There'll be already people doing this, so this shouldn't put you off creating a blog, whether it's in the finance niche or the dog niche or whatever, it doesn't matter. But this is an absolutely awesome way to make money online. The amount of money can be life-changing, as you've seen here. I mean, this is just ridiculous, isn't it? And as I've mentioned, this site here has gone on to earn over $200,000 a month. And there's a number of ways that you can make money with a blog. You see this down here? This is a paid advertisement. This is an ad. So if I was to click on this, then this website here would earn some money. It could be an impression, and what that means is basically, instead of me having to click on here for this website to earn, just the fact that this has been placed on the website and I'm seeing this, they could actually be earning from this. You can earn with affiliate marketing. You can create your own products. There's lots and lots of different ways. There's sponsored posts where other companies will pay you to put content on your blog. So basically, you're not doing anything. Someone's writing for you and you're getting paid for it. That's called a sponsored post. That's another way that you can make money with a blog. So look, if you want a free resource to learn about blogging the correct way, then I recommend, and there's a link to this down below, it's this over here, and it's called Wealthy Affiliate. Now this here, you can see it's a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. What I like about this, and when I think I first come across this in 2017 or 2018, what I like about this is, it's not hype or fluff. It will show you step by step how to transform your ideas into profits. You can build basically ready done for you websites without any design skills. It's literally drag and drop. It's pretty simple. And you can see here it takes less than 30 seconds to get one of these websites up and running. Now the most important part about this whole website here for me was this here. Proven strategies to attract lots of traffic. So with inside of here, they show you how to get your blog articles ranking within Google, and there's lots more information within here. And then they're also integrated with lots of other platforms. You can see on here, once you have traffic, you need to make money from this. This is the fun part. Without spending a dime, you can promote all of the top brands in the world through affiliate programs. And with Wealthy Affiliate, you'll learn how to choose from over 600 million products and services. So it's pretty good. And this company, they've been around for, you can see here, 16 years. They're in 193 countries, but it's pretty solid. And if I come inside of the members area, so this is inside of my account. So you see up here where it says home. So this is the home page. So on here, there's live chat. So this is in the community. And what happens here is, people are asking questions. They're also, sharing articles on here. So look, people literally helping each other out. It's really good stuff. And people, share the blog articles. They put questions in here and lots more. But if I come up here to training, and I'll show you this. So click on training. Now on the left hand side, you've got all of these different things here. So if I click on this training HQ, I'll just show you this. These are some of the different trainings on here. So look, building your own traffic producing website, level 2, getting your business rolling. Come down here, we've got mastering social engagement. What else have we got on here? So this one here, content, keywords and conversions. This is really important. How to increase website page views for visitors. So there's lots of training in here. So you can go through and have a look at the training. You've also got, if I come back up here, if I go on my training activity, so you can see on here, look, the boot camp, getting to know your business. Come further down here, what else have we got? Well, there's a walkthrough on here and other bits, but basically, if you want to, make money with a blog or a website, then this platform here, it will not only show you how to do this and walk you through all of this step by step, it also comes with the community side of this as well. So there's lots of people in here, and everyone helps each other out. So highly recommend it if you're looking to get into blogging and how to start the right way, because if I'd have known all this back 2 or 3 years ago, I wouldn't have wasted hours and hours and hours of creating content for it to get hardly any views. But overall, this method here, it works, it's proven, and I shared with you just a handful of sites which are making over $100,000 every single month from blogging. And the final thing I'll say on blogging is it's a passive income. And what I mean by that is, once you've put out a piece of content on your blog or on your website, you don't need to do much more with this. You might go back into it and make some edits, like 3 months later or 6 months later. But essentially, once you've done that content and put it out on the internet, it's out there. It's going to bring you in, money for a long time. And I'll give you an example of this. If I come over here onto my blog, come down here, let me just close this down. Come further down the page here. So you see this article here. Come down here, I'm explaining about niche websites. So I'm recommending Wealthy Affiliate here. Come further down the page, YouTube thumbnail creator. So you see this here, YouTube thumbnail creator. Someone reads this, they have a look at this, and then I've done a video on a piece of software that I recommend. And then if they go ahead and purchase this, you see here, look, check out Thumbnail Blaster, I will earn an affiliate commission. Then we've got this here, so I'm talking about affiliate marketing. And again, come down here, look, there's a link over to this product here. And I've done the work once here. I won't touch this for a long time, well, probably about 4 or 5 months. That's if I do go back into it. But the work's been done. It's simple, it's easy, and once you learn how to structure this, it really isn't that difficult. But look, that's today's video for you. I'll drop a link below for Wealthy Affiliate. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. But look, if you've got any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.